Good afternoon, this is Todd Colvin coming to you from the floor of the CME Group. We are looking at metals and gold prices. A bit of a bounce after the August lows were put in. Back above 1200 and the market seems to be getting its sea legs back under it. Recall we traded from April all the way to August. We've seen that big bull market, about 15% decline in prices, and it looked like the end of gold trading higher was over, and lo and behold, we hit those lows middle of August, and we've done nothing but bounce higher ever since. So gold prices now elevated north of $1,200, possibly nearing next target will be $1,225, and if we can see a sustained trade there, I think it's a game changer, at least for gold over the next several months into year end. And if we look at the dollar, yes, the dollar helped today. The dollar was lower, got hit after the U.S.-Mexico trade news came out. With likewise, we continue to see ripple effects from what happened in Jackson Hole. Jackson Hole Chairman Powell talked about do whatever it takes if inflation goes higher or if, dare I say, growth goes lower. Likewise, they talked about low and longer gradual rate hikes, and that is going to keep the dollar from catching a bid. If they had talked about maybe being more hawkish, I think the dollar would have caught a bid or at least traded sideways. That would have adversely affected what we saw today in gold prices. But gold prices today up a little bit, but certainly looking at bullish momentum. And if you look at the positioning in gold, something we look at, the speculators that are now spec shorts. Recall a few weeks ago we talked about the flip for the first time in a long time, seeing speculators go from spec long to spec shorts, and they added to those shorts as the market started to uptick. So I think that the most recent rally we've seen going back from Thursday, Friday, and today, I think those are going to be the speculator shorts, possibly chasing the market higher, which means we probably do have some more upside. So right now, gold price is in a bullish formation, at least the beginnings of one. And if speculators are getting out, that means we have a little bit more ways to go to the upside, at least until we hit some kind of Fed policy or some kind of global geopolitical risk things that we haven't talked about in a while, but ultimately we will. But right now, it looks like bullish gold prices in the short term. This is Todd Colvin coming to you from the floor of the CME Group.